This Audi RSQ8 needs some love. It may look clean from far, but it is far from it. With my inspection light, when we look at the details of the car, we can see that dirt is all over the place. The engine bay is dirty, the exhaust of the car, undercarriage, of course the inside with all the leather and the Alcantara. So anyway, my goal today is to bring it back to life as much as I can. So let's do it. I'm going to start with the undercarriage of the car with a long and tedious rinse. With all my experience in the past with sports cars such as this one, I know that for a fact every car have that one spot that when you rinse, all the dirt is coming out. So for example, on this one, it's right behind the bumper. So you just have to take a good position with your handgun. And then when you rinse, the dirt is coming right off. So it is really satisfying. Next is going to be the cleaning of the wheels, the tires, the suspension, and also the wheel arches of the car. Because this car have steel brake, I'm going to use a iron remover to remove all the brake dust that got stuck inside the wheels over time. After the cleaning and the decontamination of the wheels and the suspension, I'm going to protect all the surfaces with a wet coat. All you have to do is spray the product on a wet surface and then rinse, and you will see that the water is beading perfectly on the surface. Next, I will be cleaning the exhaust of the car. Before spraying the engine bay with HP12, I'm going to remove all the loose dirt. After rinsing everything, we can see that there is still some dirt right here. And I don't know why, but Audi and Mercedes tend to use this kind of greasy product on their surfaces of the suspension and engine bay also. And of course the undercarriage, but we're going to focus on this engine bay today. If you open a Lamborghini Urus engine bay, this is pretty much the same engine and the same configuration. This is not a problem on Lamborghini's car. There is no kind of greasy product, so I don't know why Audi tend to use this kind of product on the surface. And I don't know, it may be a overspray, but anyway, if you know it, just let me know in the comment section below. In order to avoid rust over time, just take the extra minutes to clean inside the door jambs. It will help you a lot. After being done with the exterior of the car and the drying process, it's now time to clean the inside. So basically, no matter what car I'm cleaning, it's always the same steps. So it's the floor mat first, so the floor mat that I can remove. Then it's going to be the cleaning of the fabrics of the car. So the floor mat inside and then the Alcantara if there is. Then is going to be the cleaning of all the remaining surfaces. So plastic and leather or carbon fiber. And to finish is going to be the cleaning of the glass. In order to clean the leather and the plastic, I'm using a scrub pad, and after rinsing the scrub pad a couple of times in my bucket, look at all the dirt that came out. This is incredible. Here is the beautiful final result for this Audi RSQ8. Enjoy all the before and after. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video as well. Anyway, see you in the next one.